Guys, welcome to another quick help video. I'm going to show you how to use a PTZ camera in under a minute. Okay, it's so easy nowadays, guys. So right on the live view, it gives you the joystick option, PTZ control. Just click on that on your PTZ camera, and then on the top right hand side you've got all the controls. So you've got left, right, you can scroll down and up. I think the corners even work as well. Yep, you can even go corner to corner. Look at that. Okay, so you've got the zoom here, you can zoom in and out. Okay, and then you've got focus, so you can put it out of focus, in focus, but I think this camera's autofocus, so that's not going to work. And that's basically the controls you really need, is the zoom and the things over here. So that's how to quickly access your PTZ camera. Really easy, guys. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on another one, hopefully. Bye bye.